Political science, as a discipline, has evolved over time through various approaches. Three key phases or approaches in the study of political science are traditionalism, behavioralism, and post-behaviouralism. Below is a detailed explanation with examples. 1. Traditionalism. Definition. Traditionalism is the oldest approach to political science. It focuses on the study of political institutions, norms, values, laws, and the philosophy of politics. Key features: emphasis on normative questions, what ought to be. Study of constitutions, laws, government structures, and political ideologies. More descriptive and philosophical in nature, less concerned with real behavior or data. Example: a traditionalist might study the separation of powers in the U.S. Constitution and discuss why it is morally or philosophically justified. 2. Behavioralism. Definition. Behavioralism emerged in the 20th century, especially after World War II. It emphasizes the scientific and empirical study of political behavior. It focuses on how people actually behave in political settings, not how they should behave. Key features: based on observation, data, and statistical methods. More empirical and value-neutral. Focuses on individual and group behavior such as voting patterns, public opinion, political participation, etc. Inspired by developments in psychology, sociology, and natural sciences. Example: a behavioralist might conduct a survey to find out why a particular group voted for a certain candidate, analyzing the data to find patterns. 3. Post-behaviouralism. Definition. Post-behaviouralism arose in the 1960s as a reaction to the limitations of behavioralism. It argues that political science should not only be empirical and scientific, but also socially relevant and value-oriented. Key features: focus on relevance. Political research should address real-world issues like inequality, poverty, war, etc. Emphasizes values plus data, combines normative and empirical aspects. Political science should help solve social problems. Critical of behavioralism's detachment from real-life concerns. Example: a post-behavioralist might study voting behavior, but also question how economic inequality affects democracy and suggest reforms. Conclusion: traditionalism focuses on ideals and institutions. Behavioralism focuses on observable political behavior using scientific methods. Post-behavioralism seeks to combine data with value-based inquiry to make political science socially useful. Each approach has contributed uniquely to the development of political science as a discipline.